1. Revlon Turbo Hair Dryer, 1875W, Ionic Ceramic. Experience fast drying with 1875 watts of power and advanced ionic technology. Ceramic coating ensures even heat distribution for healthier hair. Features turbo heat and cold shot for versatile styling options. 2. WavyTalk Ionic Hair Dryer, 1875W, with diffuser, achieves smooth, glossy hair with millions of negative ions reducing frizz. Comes with a diffuser and concentrator for diverse styling needs. Lightweight and quiet design enhances user comfort. 3. Infinity Pro by Conair Hair Dryer, AC Motor, ceramic technology. Professional-grade AC motor delivers powerful airflow for quick drying. Ceramic technology helps protect hair from heat damage. Includes diffuser and concentrator for customized styling. 4. And Betty Ionic Hair Dryer, 1800W, with diffuser. High-efficiency 1800W motor ensures fast drying and effortless styling. Advanced fan blades provide powerful airflow while minimizing noise. Diffuser nozzle enhances natural curls and reduces frizz. 5. Conair Travel Hair Dryer, 1600W, dual voltage, folding handle, compact and lightweight design perfect for travel. Dual voltage capability ensures worldwide usability. Folding handle makes it easy to pack and store.